Capital city of Gansu province confirmed that 3,245 people had contracted the disease brucellosis. Now we're going to get more details. Priya, what can you tell us about this? Very big.
Right. So what makes it more significant, Rahul, is that just 2 days ago, a Chinese scientist herself had said that coronavirus would have been made in a Chinese government lab. Now look at the similarities between what happened in case of coronavirus and what is happening in this case, which makes it a matter of concern for all of us and not just China. This incident is basically something that happened in a pharmaceutical factory in northwest China last year in July and August, but it was only around October, November and December that people started reporting of symptoms of something called Mediterranean fever. Now, why were they infected with this? Because this company produces a vaccine for animals, which is for a disease called brucella. But when they were producing this vaccine, when the gases are released, they were using disinfectants and sanitizers that were not up to the mark. They were actually expired, and which is why this waste gas wasn't completely sanitized, and it with the air it was carried to other parts. And there is this institute close by near this factory where people started reporting symptoms like fever, etc. And it is only now that we have got a confirmation that over 3,000 people have tested positive for this disease. The good thing about this, if it can be said like that, the silver lining is that it is not transferable from animal to human beings, like some people suspect has been the case with COVID. But these numbers are likely to grow further, the number of people who are infected with this disease. But all in all, this just raises more questions around the safety protocols that are being observed in China.
The main similarity here is many people have said that the outbreak in Wuhan predated, in fact, even December, and that this particular COVID-19 strain was already actively seen in the population somewhere September onwards. So, the timelines are quite similar. It was only in January that the Chinese got really worried and they informed the WHO, and that was already 4 months. And unfortunately, given the fact that COVID-19 passes from human to human so quickly, it really spread. This particular virus spreads only through eating contaminated food or breathing in the bacteria, which is what seems to have happened in Lanzhou. So, similarities there.
I want to add to what Priya was saying, Rahul. She's saying that the good news is that the number of people who are infected is less, but the bad news, Priya, is that China needs to come out clean. We haven't heard anything officially from China on this, and the Chinese state-run